Good morning or good day, awesome, beautiful people that are watching this video considering a divorce. My name is Daniel WIAFE and I am with Vegas Divorce Pros in beautiful and sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. And in today's video, you guys, we are going to talk about, is it worth fighting a divorce? All right, is it worth fighting a divorce? But before we get started, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the president and the director of marketing of Vegas Divorce Pros. We are a document preparation service out here in Vegas, and we help people get attorney-free divorce and legal separation and annulment services who are wanting to save money on their divorce. All right. That being said, you guys, we can't give legal advice, so everything that we give shall not be construed as such. All right. That being said, you guys, let's go ahead and answer that question. Is it worth you fighting a divorce? All right. And if you watched any of my videos beforehand in the past, you guys, oh, and before I even get into that, you guys, if you're needing or wanting a free 15-minute phone consultation, we do give those out for free at the link that's below my finger, vegasdivorcepros.com. Okay, go there, text us, call us, and we'll get you a free 15-minute phone consultation. All right. But that being said, you guys, it really depends on whether it is worth fighting your divorce. It really depends on what your spouse is asking for. Okay, so if you're watching this video, I'm going to be under the assumption that your spouse filed a complaint for divorce and they served you with papers, okay? And so basically it's very sunny out there. So basically they're asking you for something such as they're asking for property. Maybe they're asking for you to take over the debts, you know, maybe credit cards, maybe a mortgage loan. Maybe they're trying to get the house or the cars, they're trying to get the kids or whatnot, okay? Maybe they may not even be asking for anything tangible, because we've seen that over the past 12 plus years that we've been in business, you guys. We've seen people not ask for anything. They just want to fight, just be fighting, you know, and it's really stupid, all right? But this is what I would do, okay, in different scenarios, all right? So if you've been married to your spouse, and let's say you guys have been married for about 4 months or 5 months, 6 months, a year, right? And you don't have any kids, right? You don't have any property together. You don't have any debts together. Your spouse is not asking for any spousal support or anything like that. They just pretty much say, hey, I want a divorce, and you get served with papers, and they're not asking for any property, no debts, no spousal support. You guys don't have any kids. In that circumstance, you guys, because it does cost you money to answer a divorce, right? Because even here in Las Vegas, you guys, it's going to cost you at least $217 for the court filing fee to file an answer counterclaim. In my opinion, you guys, if I was served in that circumstance, I would not waste the money to even do an answer counterclaim. Okay, I would file a acceptance of service stating that I accept the terms, right? So I accept the terms that what's mine is mine. I'll keep my property. You keep your property to the plaintiff, which is your ex-spouse. I'm responsible for my debts. You're responsible for your debts. And that's it. All right. You do an acceptance of service. And in most states, you can do an acceptance of service and you're good to go. Okay. And you don't have to spend any money to file an answer counterclaim. All right. Now, if your spouse is asking for something which is just, right? So like, let's say your spouse, your husband, soon to be ex-husband, soon to be ex-wife is asking for, I don't know, $400, $500 a month in child support, right? And they've used the state calculation, the state child support calculation figures, right? And they've accurately used your income, and they've accurately computed and calculated your child support amounts, right? Now, if all they're asking for is something that is just, right, and you know that it's just, then there's no reason for you to fight it, okay? I wouldn't fight it, you know? Because, you know, obviously if your spouse has primary physical custody of your kids, you know, then they need some money. Okay, let's just be real. All right. Now, if they're asking for something egregious, you guys, because we've had, you know, cases where the spouse is asking for some stupid things. Okay, I'm talking about, oh, I want $2,000 a month in spousal support, and I want and they want $2,000 a month for spousal support for like the rest of their life. And then they're asking for, you know, hey, I want all of your property, all your rental property and all your investments. And I want your whole retirement accounts and things such of that nature, you guys. Then, yeah, hell yeah, you need to fight that out. OK, if somebody's asking for the moon and the stars and the sky and all that, you guys, you need to protect your best interests. All right. And at the end of the day, if it's a battle they want, you need to fight it out. Okay, that's what I would do in that circumstance. Okay, but again, you guys, I'm not a lawyer. I can't give you legal advice. I just been doing this business for 12 years, writing up people's divorce papers and getting it filed and getting them happily divorced. Okay, whatever the circumstance is, you guys, whatever you're going through, you owe it to yourself. Get a 15-minute free consultation with us, my team. Go to this link that's right below my finger, VegasDivorcePros.com. And we'll get you a free 15-minute phone consultation and help you with your game plan moving forward. So that being said, you guys, Daniel WIAFE out here for my morning walk. Have a great, awesome rest of your day and week.